My dog is gonna jump and get those little. Okay, all right. Fluffy, go. Get it. Go ahead. Get it. Up. Go on. Get it. Let's see. She's not gonna make it to there because she's not smart enough to jump on the top dresser. Nope, she wants to do it the hard way. There you go. Are you gonna get it? It's not up there. Huh? Get it. Go on. Get it. Dumb dog. You have to jump. Jump. Get it. Good girl. Go ahead. She'll get it. Okay, stop the barking and get the cookie. Go ahead. There we go. Go ahead. Go on, get him. I'm going to give her a hand and I'm going to push them out a little bit and see, maybe she'll be able to see them and reach them. All right, come on, get it. Go ahead. Get him. Fluffy. 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 Stop the barking and get it. No. That's cheating. You got to work for it. Go on. There you go. Go ahead. Up. Whoa. There you go. Go ahead. You can do it. Go ahead. Oh, man. I'm actually wasting time now. Usually she gets it right away. Okay, I'm going to post this one and do a part 2 because it's going to be too long. Oh, it's not under there. Fluffy is not there. Get it. No, you have to jump. Get it. Fluffy. She'll get pissed off enough. She's going to jump up there and get it. I need to lower this TV. Okay. Get it. Go get it. Go get it. Okay, forget it. I'm going to take it. Never mind. Get the cookie. Come on. Up. Jump. Shut up. Now you're not getting anything for not jumping.